Don't take a picture.
Hello, welcome to Mother Stewart's cooking show. And we're making some undercooked food. The best kind of food. They have to cool for a minute. They have to cool for a minute. What am I doing? I'm trying to scrape that. See how lovely these have browned?
Golden brown. That's what they are.
Just how I like my men. Golden brown. More like black. I like my milk like coffee. Black. With a little bit of vanilla in them. So they're not too ghetto for me. You know what I'm saying?
I like mine with
OJ.
coffee, mate. Actually, this morning it tastes like shit because I tried to make some.
Yeah. I'm Martha Stewart. This is my companion, Lumberjack Joe.
Lumberjack.
She's a housewife. What's she saying? No one knows.
Jill. That's my name.
She's Joe, actually. She wants to be called Joe because she's really transy. Sorry. Live TV. Yep, I'm Martha Stewart.